Hello, it's Fat Stormtrooper from Darkroom Gaming. Somebody is trying to message you. Okay, yes, he doesn't have much time, he has to go. Well, he should just go. What I'm having a look here is these creepy crates. They've sparked a interest with me, and I've unboxed a couple of creepy crates a couple of days ago. There's not many of them around, so it's just, they're like, you know, the wine called Grange. They're sort of, get these limited vintages, and you have to fucking, people fucking have to drink it before it, you know. Oh, I'm going to drink the last bottle of 1974 shit wine. Oh yes, yes. Well, these are sort of the same thing, only they're crates and they're virtual and they don't taste like wine, but apart from that they're pretty well the same thing. So what we're doing here is we're looking at a couple of different crates. And these are the ones I managed to acquire from the community market. And the first ones, there's soldier crates. There's one, two, three. Oh, there's all of these fucking crates everywhere. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to unbox these. So I'm going to have to open my backpack and have a look. And somebody says, oh, what happens when have you much time to get surgery done on my bladder? Oh my god, someone's asking a question about having surgery done on their bladder. What happens when a collector decides to quit the game forever? What do the collectors do? I guess they sell it. Query marketplace.tf or SCM. Okay, so I think somebody asking me what to do if you're a collector and you're on your last legs and you're gonna die of cancer, and how do you get rid of your stuff? I guess you sell it or you take it with you to the grave. That's what I'm doing. No, it's not really. I'm not really dying or anything, nothing much, but I guess we are all dying. I guess we're all dying in our own special ways, and when you're born you're sort of dying, but anyway. So it's just an interesting question I have. What do you do if you're a collector? And I guess you sell it on Backpack or Marketplace, or, you know, if you're dying, I don't think you're really going to want to think about selling it. Let's find these creepy crates and have a fucking look at what's going on. What the fuck? Oh yeah, man. Good luck, dude. I'm wishing someone luck. They're going off for surgery and it doesn't look good, man. Oh well. These are creepy crates. How can creepy search for creepy, and they wouldn't they let me? Is this a creepy? Oh, creepy quality correction. Creepy crate. No, that's not going to work. Let's Oh yes, creepy crates. You can look for them here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 wonderful crates! So which ones should we... Okay, starting at the top, soldiers. Soldiers, let's see what we're going to get. Let's have a look. I'm creating my loot and I get a great big fat... A battle bird. Oh yes. I'm like Iron Man, only I've got a fucking beak. Yeah. Mr. Stark, what the fuck is that? You got a beak, bitch? Anyway, let's have a look at the next item. Use. Soldier crate, I'm gonna get a great big fat... I'm gonna get another one. This one's strange haunted though. This is a strange haunted battle bird. No fucking worries. One can be a great big fucking bird. Now this is a creepy demo. Now a demo in itself is creepy. What is it gonna be? Holy little Dutchman. I've got TP for my bunghole. Yo, that's pretty fucking good. Yeah. Get my ship together. Okay, yeah, use. Now what are we going to find now? I'm creating a loot. Demo. What could a demo want? The Manhattan Project. Fair enough. You can have a hat that's shaped like a mushroom cloud. I'm sure that's going to make me look appetizing to Godzilla or any other radiation monster that's around, but yeah. Oh yeah. Well, there's definitely a different and controversial hat. At least they didn't call it the Chernobyl Project. No offense. Let's have a look. Let's resume game. Now, we've got one more creepy demo crate, and that gives rise to... we got the Dutchman again. Now, the NG crates, I don't really like NGs, they're dwarfs, but we're going to look at them anyway. Okay, NG. Oh, the Iron Fist. Perfect for those casual sexual encounters. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. NG. I've got an Iron Fist, one for each hand. I can shove it hard, straight up there. Oh yes. The Scout has always worried me about its overall configuration. Oh, come on, blah, blah. Oh, the headhunter. It looks like you've been picking your nose again, Mr. Scout. What else have we got here on our unboxing? Come on, shit, for hell, fuck's sake. Stone the crows and kick down the fucking dunny door. Come on, the fuck. Oh, heavy. The Minsk, the Bullocks. Oh yes. That is truly ugly. That's why I must wear it. Now, this is a heavy. Hoovy. Oh, the Hooded Haunter. Go here. Use. We can do this. I'm creating your loot. You've got a great big fat, strange haunted bone cut belt. Oh, it looks like some sort of orc get-up. An off the shoulder number for some orc bitch. Oh dear, do you like the way my... Oh! Hoarder! Oh yeah, I think I got that one again. Okay. Let's have a look. I'm creating your loot. Oh, the Shadow Man Shade. It's like a gibbous, only not a gibbous. It's the wrong colour for a gibbous. But it's like gibbous-like, with a feather. Stuck a feather in his gibbous and called him Gibberoni. What the fuck? Yo! Oh! That's just fucking perverse. Spy is gonna be... Oh, fuck. That's just... Blech. It's enough to send you shivering up your spine. Okay, the final crate and the most important crate of the day. I get the same fucking thing again. Thank you very much, Valve. I'm going to put it on a spy. Hey, would you rather have an unusual party phantom or you could dress with this? Oh, fuck. Ew, dude, it looks like he's straining at stool. I need a shit. I need a shit. I need a shit. That's what he's saying. And, oh man, what has happened to my usually pouty phantom? Pouty phantom. Pouty phantom. Pouty phantom. What the fuck? That's another fucked up. That's a fucked up mask. I mean, shit, that's fucked up. What is a fucked up mask? Man, I sort of might get my fucking Halloween thing together now. I mean, yeah, I mean, we could put this fucking shit on it. Hey, 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 hey. There's something else that looks fucked up. Come on. Anything else spooky like? Just what is my fucking spy gonna dress into? Like some fucking, oh come on. The Escapist, that looks like pretty, oh god. Shit this, ugh. Blah, blah, blah. I think that looks more fucking, that looks, wasn't it? Yeah. No, I think that other one looks better. I'm sorry, I mean, the other one looks better, definitely fucking looks better. Oh, God. Aristotle, yes. Yeah, I need that fucking face. Okay, let's have a look at the, a galvanized gibbous. Oh, neutron star. Nope. That's the haunted scarecrow. So I reckon that's what I'm gonna go to in my Halloween outfit for a spy. So you've seen me unbox a couple of things. I'm well and truly ready for Halloween, and I'm going to be out just to do some hauntings and whatever, and trick or treat and fucking shoot a few people. So hopefully you guys are going to get your Halloween gear together. This is the best one, I reckon. This the Bonzo. You can see it like orbiting like a planet. Woo! The scarecrow head and that Flying Dutchman is pretty fucking cool. Peace.